MPC sample beats. Let's go. Okay, so obviously there's many ways to sequence in the sample if you don't know already. Got a fresh bank here, nothing on it at all. The sequencing options are obviously we can play real-time synchronized to the tempo or to the quantize. We also have the ability to also input with step sequence, so we can do shift and step sequence, and we can actually add steps and erase steps as well in there. We also then have the shift plus the recalls, so we actually have audio buffer recall and MIDI buffer recall as well. So there's many ways to get a sequence in here. Now obviously drum and bass is a bit faster, so I guess your mileage may vary how you want to put the notes in. Obviously you could half speed it and then do it in sort of 88 for instance, of 175, something like that, around that. Or you could just do it the old school way, which is step sequence and then step record the breaks in and stuff, and then obviously skip through here the timeline. This is your timeline here where you'll actually do your steps, input your steps in step sequencer mode, step record mode, and then you can actually input the steps and then you can see the steps, and then you can do it that way and erase and listen and erase and listen. And but this works great after the fact, maybe after the fact that you've got some sequences down. Okay, so as far as drum bass and jungle is concerned, let's come out that mode. Blank pads, blank sequences. We're going to